Shanti, Shanti, Hare, peace always be with you on this morning of Vandana, morning of worship. Today, friends, on this investment of Shanti Vandana, on this installment, this very beautiful journey, I ask, do you believe in God? Or do you know that God exists? Do you know that God listens to every prayer and responds to it? Or do you have a belief system that sometimes you wonder, God, are you there? Are you on the other side of my prayer? Today, I ask you to move your concept and that relationship with God from one that starts with a belief, which is wonderful, to one that is a knowing that God is part of your consciousness, part of your universe. And by now, today I'm asking you to know that you should be operating in such a way that you are making preparations for the good things that Bhagavan has in store for you. You see, God has put dreams and desires into every one of our hearts. And today, as you start your very beautiful Saturday morning, we should all have promises that we're standing on, things that we believe today will come to pass. Whether it comes to pass today or tomorrow, today on this very beautiful morning, we should operate as though those things that we believe in will come to pass. You see, but almost always there's a time of waiting that is involved. And sometimes you'd say, Paniji, I'm waiting for a relationship to improve. How long can I wait to get married? How long can I wait for this promotion on my job? Or, Paniji, how long can I wait to get over from this illness? Children of Shanti Vandana, today I remind you that you should live your life, plan your life as though you're going to live forever, but you must live each day thinking and knowing it can and will be your last. You see, my friends, you must operate as though you already are what you want to become. Someone said to me yesterday, Panditji, I'm having so much problems. I really want to give up on this life. What is life really about? I want to really escape from the problems in my life. And I said to her, do you believe in God? She said, Panditji, honestly, I do. Sometimes. And I said, what about the times that you don't believe in God? She says that I quarrel, I doubt whether God is listening to my prayer. And I said to her, that's a perfect place to start. Because the moment you are having a conversation with God and you're saying to God, are you really listening to me? Bhagavan receives that prayer also. You see, any words, any emotion, any conversation that comes from the heart, that is a sincere offering to God, whether you're thanking Him or whether you're having that conversation of doubt, my friends, it is also a beautiful place to start. So whether your dreams have manifested or whether you're still waiting, today's secret on Shanti Vandana, it is while you wait, it is to teach you how to wait on that which you expect in this world. Please join with us as we share a very beautiful bhajan. This song, it is a supplication to Ganesh Baba. It is a supplication to Bhagwan Shiva. It is also a prayer to the Divine Mother. Please join with members of the Bhuvaneshwar Mandir of Queens, New York. Please join.